The PLA Air Force, Navy, and Army, along with the Aviation Industry Corporation of China, held a joint press conference in Zhuhai where the air show is going on Wednesday during Air Show China, marking the first joint press conference by three PLA forces at the event. During this press conference, the PLA Air Force, Navy, and the Army introduced their respective highlights at Air Show China, which kicked off Tuesday, featuring a new dynamic demonstration format integrating air, sea, and ground operations, and the takeoff of aircraft from three PLA forces in Zhuhai has become one of the biggest highlights of this air show. Notably, China's J-35A made its debut at Air Show China, joining PLA Air Force lineup of main combat fighters, according to Air Force spokesperson Shepang on Wednesday. According to media reports, this lineup consists of J-10C, J-16, J-20. During the spectacular opening of ceremony of Air Show China on Tuesday, the show featured flight performances by three types of stealth fighters jets, including debut of China's J-35A, a formation of J-20S, and Russia's Su-57 in its first appearance in China. Other features aircraft include J-20 and Y-20. Lieutenant Colonel Liaoning from Air Force Training Base said during the press conference that test pilots have found the J-35A to be highly agile, stable, and operational efficient. The aircraft combines flexibility, maneuverability, and a high level of comfort. Pilots said that upon entering cockpit, they feel confident in its user-friendly design, which facilitates seamless integration between pilot, aircraft, enforcing combat effectiveness. From this press conference, I think the Chinese are appealing for the buyers all over the world to buy their defense flights, I think. The PLA Navy display equipment in the static area, including Y-8 anti-submarine patrol aircraft and Z-9F shipborne anti-submarine helicopter. Aerobatic displays featured the J-15D and J-15T during the event. I have uploaded these two videos you can watch. The Navy Maritime Corps made appearance at the air show, featuring a demonstration of air assault operations using Jet-20J carrier-based helicopter and a Jet-8C transport helicopter. The Corps is responsible for amphibious assault operations in the Navy. The Colonel Tsai said that J-15T and J-15D feature extensive upgrades in their traditional avionics and weapon systems, but also in their mission payloads. He said the focus has primarily been on upgrading the technological development surrounding the Navy's aircraft carrier platforms. To adapt to the aircraft carriers, significant upgrades have been made to the takeoff and landing capabilities of J-15 series aircraft as well as to the engines. I think 2012 J-15 aircraft successfully landed on the deck of Liaoning aircraft carrier for the first time, almost 12 years ago, marking a new chapter in the development of naval carrier-based fighter jets. Since then, Navy has continuously focused on the series of development of J-15 at the airshow in Zhuhai city. Two models, J-15T, J-15D, are on display. Military experts Zhang said PLA Navy participated in airshow China Zhuhai for the first time, reflecting PLA Navy's commitment to openness and transparency. He said that he believed that in the future, as China's technological standing and comprehensive strength improve, there will be greater advances in the development of naval weapons, equipment, and the PLA Navy will send more and more modern equipment to participants in the airshow China. I think they want to attract the future buyers from across the world. The PLA Army showcased equipment at airshow China, including Jet-10 attack helicopter, Jet-20 tactical utility helicopter, Jet-8 wide-body transport helicopter, Jet-8 high-altitude transport helicopter, the Jet-10 attack helicopter, Jet-20 tactical utility helicopter, Jet-8 high-altitude transport helicopter were featured in aerobatic displays.
After watching this video, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. Your support means a lot and helps our team create more videos like this. Thanks for watching.